Hey guys, it's your girl Urellis and welcome back to my beauty space. Today's video is going to be a mini makeup haul. I recently did a little bit of shopping. I would say I bought these things for about probably 2 months now, and I couldn't really play with any of it until I went through this crazy allergy thing. So I basically couldn't, use any of these things, and now I'm starting to use them, and now I'm just super excited to do all these videos, and I want to share with you guys what I got. And another thing really quickly is I do apologize for my heater. It is on right now and it's super loud. Hopefully it'll turn off soon. So yeah, let's get started. So we're gonna just break it down by category. I'm gonna start with the face. The first item that I got, this is technically not new, but it is new to my collection again because I haven't used this in years. And when I bought this, I was just, I'm hooked. I can't stop using it. This is the L'Oreal True Match Foundation. You guys know how much I rave about Pro Glow. That is one of my hands down top five foundations. And this one is slowly going up there as well. It's like the Pro Glow, but it has a little more pow. It's just a little more coverage, a little more it just gives you something extra, and I really like the shade of this. I'm in the shade N7. I freaking love this. And I know they just dropped a new foundation that I'm intrigued. I'm intrigued to see if it's like this or like the Pro Glow. Maybe it's a good combination of both. Let me know if you guys want to see a review on that. So for the next face item, I got the PATRICKSTARRR with MAC Cosmetics powder. I freaking love this powder. Now, I do have a few things to say about this. First of all, the packaging is hella cute. It was for the holidays, and I love that it comes with a little puffer. I just think that's super cute. I don't use the puffer. This powder, people have raved about it the first time it came out, and I never got to try it because honestly, I wasn't interested in any of his collection, to be quite honest with you. But I kept hearing about the powder, and I was like, okay, next time he comes out with the powder, I'm gonna try it. And they did come out with it, but however, the only thing I'm kind of upset about is the fact that it's not 1 ounce. You only get 0.51 ounces, which is not a lot, and it was pretty pricey compared to the Laura Mercier. You get a whole ounce. Yes, you get a whole entire ounce, and this has lasted me over a year. I do my makeup often, so if I still have powder here, that's crazy. So I just feel like this is just gonna go to waste. I'm just gonna use this so fast. I also heard that this is not going to be limited edition anymore. It's actually going to be a permanent item later on. So that kind of ticked me off as well. As a consumer, it's okay, I work hard for this. I actually have that powder on right now and my skin looks so good. It really is a great powder, other than the little issue. So the next item is this Colourpop foundation stick. I got this shade 197W Deep Dark. I'm actually not a fan of stick foundations. It doesn't work well with my skin type. I have really dry skin, so it just makes my skin look cakey, and then it settles in my dry lines, and it makes me look old. And one thing about me when it comes to foundations, I love foundations that make me look healthy, dewy, that just gives me a healthy glow within. My other foundations that I really like to use are the NARS or the Born This Way. I mean, my skin, I like it to look healthy. I don't like it to look dry and old. What's the point of wearing makeup if you're gonna look matte and dry and your skin is suffocating, you know what I'm saying? So stick foundations tend to do that to me. So I knew I wanted to get this for contouring, and I love it. It blends so nicely. It works really well, and I feel like you do have some time to blend it out. I don't think it's one of those type of products that once you place it, it's a wrap. It's gonna be so hard for you to blend it out. No, I really like this formula, and I would recommend it. It's super affordable. I think it's $12 or less. Come on, you can't beat that. So next for brows, I've been obsessed with this brow pencil here. This is from Maybelline. It is called the Brow Precise Micro Crayon. Guys, this is my second one. I bought this back in I think November or something. I use this so freaking fast. Honestly, I just really like the way my brows look. And I've always used Anastasia's brow pencil. That's what I've been using for years. And I found this guy at the drugstore because I didn't have time to place an order for the Anastasia brow pencil. I needed it right away. And I picked this one up in the drugstore. I was like, oh, okay, let me try this. Let me see, you know, what's good. It is good. I even posted a few brow tutorials on my Instagram. These are so good. I really recommend this. And I'm in the shade. Oh, there's no shade on this. But I'm pretty sure it's like dark brown, granite, along those lines. All right, so that is it for the face. Let's move on to eyes. I have 3 new palettes to show you guys. The first one is from Colourpop. This is the Mar palette. This palette does come with another duo palette. It comes with the Soul palette, which I had, but I actually lost it. I lost it when I was in DR and I never got to try it, and I finally got to try this one now. I'm actually really not that impressed with this palette, to be quite honest with you. I just feel like I used it twice, and 2 times I felt like my eyeshadows just looked muddy, like twice. And I always get good makeup application, okay? My eyeshadow does not ever look muddy. I never really have a problem blending out. And this for me, just, it didn't do it for me, you know? Like, it's just like it's okay, you know? It's not like to die for. It's an okay palette. I don't know, you guys, but this item really didn't do anything for me. I even took this blue the first time I used it, this blue, and then this color here. I put it on my lower lash line. And within, I don't know, within 20 minutes or so, it was like going down my cheeks. And I was just like, what? Like, that never has happened to me before. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna give it a try again. And I did a little mini tutorial with it. And I tried this color here. I just felt like it was really dry. I really had to stick my finger in there to really get product. I don't know, it's just, something about this formula is just not my favorite, so I will pass on this. I have another Colourpop palette. I actually did a review on this one. This is the Salvaje with Becky G. I love this palette so much. I mean, the color scheme on this is so beautiful. It's so easy to blend. The colors are super pigmented. I was really impressed when I was working with them. To me, when I was working with it, it just felt like a high-end product, you know? Like, it was just so easy to blend. I had no fallout. Like, it just worked so beautifully. I'm just super impressed with this formula, super impressed with this palette. I really like the packaging. I just love the name of it, Salvaje. I mean, that means savage if you don't know. I think that's super cute. I love the color scheme again. And my favorite shade, honestly, is Sangria and Melback. Like, those 2 right there are just my jam. This palette, seriously, if you are going on Colourpop.com right now and you're trying to look for a palette, I would recommend this one. Hands down. This one, this one, this one, this one again. And for the last palette, I finally got my hands on the FRIENDCATION palette with Desi X Katie with Dose of Colors. I freaking love this packaging. Let's just have a moment real fast with this packaging though. This packaging is gorgeous. And of course, when you open it, I actually got this during their Black Friday sale. I believe it was like around $30 or so. The regular price is $55, which is way too pricey. But with that being said, since it was on sale, I recommend this. If you are on a budget and you can't afford $55 and you wait for some sort of sale, I would recommend this palette, because I honestly think that, yes, these colors are beautiful and they're unique, but I honestly feel like you will get a lot of use out of it, especially if you go to a lot of special events like weddings, baby showers, sweet 16s. I mean, even if you're going on a dinner or a brunch, whatever, even if you're walking to Rite Aid and you want to practice your makeup, pick this baby up. I think these shades are gorgeous. I also did another tutorial with this on my Instagram. I'm just freaking impressed with this. You know, this middle shade here is gorgeous. I love the way it blended out. I did use Game Over. The minute I saw this palette and I saw Game Over, I was like, it's Game Over. I am using that shade. Shade is gorgeous. I have nothing like it in my collection, which is another reason why I like this palette so much. All right, guys, we're almost done. I didn't realize how many new lip products I have. I went a little ham and I bought a lot of lips. I'm gonna break it down by brand. So let's start with Colourpop. I got the BFF2 lip pencil. What? This lip pencil is the perfect lip color for me. It goes so well. I don't know if you can see my baby swatch. It goes so well with my skin tone. Any lip color basically looks good because of it. Like, Right now I have it on and I have it paired with a lipstick that I'm going to show you guys. But this is so freaking bomb. If you're my skin tone or darker, I would recommend this one. And it's only like $6 or $5 or something. You think I'm gonna stay with just this one? No, I will buy more. This is actually the lipstick I have on right now. This is also with Becky G. I got 2 of her lipsticks. She came out with 4, but I was like, no, you don't need 4. Just get 2 different ones that you don't really have. It's always good to have a nude on hand, but I like that this is actually a satin lip, and this is in the shade Mija. I mean, Mija, you need that. And the next shade I got is Flor. I just think that this is so nice. This is in the matte formula and it's super pretty. I don't have anything like this. It's a beautiful terracotta shade. I freaking love it, especially with like a brown smoky eye or even a gold smoky eye and you throw that on, girl. Or if you just throw on like a wing liner and lashes, no shadow, and you put that on, girl, where are you going? Who are you? And the last item for Colourpop is this beautiful glossy lip. This is with Shayla and Colourpop. I love this lip topper. Like, it's so pretty. You know how sometimes shimmery lipsticks can leave you like feeling grainy or like just nasty? It's not like that at all. Like, it looks so good on the lips. I freaking love this. And this is called Neat Freak. Next for lips, these are also affordable. They're from the drugstore. I bought these 2 Maybelline lipsticks. I got the shades 656 and 657. These are so good nudes because our girl always needs a good nude. This is 657, beautiful. And then this is 656, gorgeous. I mean, those 2 together, combined, with BFF2 lip liner, that's it. It's a wrap. It's a wrap for 2019. Like, that's it. You good for the whole year. You don't need nothing else. It's popping and it's affordable. Come on. So these last 2 items are these lipsticks from Dose of Colors. I love Dose of Colors. I don't know if you guys can tell. The first shade is Talk is Chic. I've been eyeing this for a long time because I ran out of Bury Me. And I was like, oh, I want something different because I had Bury Me and then I had Bury Me 2 and I used both of them. I had them for a long time. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna go with Talk is Chic. I really love this shade of berry. I just think it's so different. It looks so nice. I did like an all berry eye look and it just looks so beautiful. I just really like the way it looks. I wore it on Christmas and I got a lot of compliments. And the last one is PEACHIII. Girl, and this is actually with the collab with I Love Sarai on Instagram. If you guys aren't following her, you should because her videos are so freaking cute. And I love her makeup techniques. She is so pretty. I really like the way she teaches how to do eyeshadow. She gives a lot of tips in her videos, which is really helpful too. And I am obsessed with this PEACHIII shade. I just think it's gorgeous. And she actually just recently did a collab with Colourpop. And I'm like, damn. So that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Same as always, give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. And I'll see you guys on the next one. And don't forget to glow because we here all 2019. Bye.